Back at Bicycle Pit Stop again, and today we're looking at a beautiful red and black Canyon Aeroad CF SLX. My first time actually seeing one of these Aero Canyons, and I gotta say it's a beautiful looking bike. Really aero, really aggressive looking, kind of like my own BMC, but just a little bit cleaner in my eyes. So anyway, at the core of this bike, it's a, like I said, Canyon Aeroad frame set, disc brake. We got some Reynolds Strike carbon wheels, front and back. Shimano Ultegra Di2, and the rear derailleur has a ceramic oversized pulley system on there. Has a KMC chain, a little bit of red in there to match the frame. We got Elite carbon bottle cages, Stella Italia carbon saddle. We have these awesome looking Canyon one-piece handlebars. Shimano non-series hydraulic levers, kind of awkward looking, but whatever. This bike's actually in here today to get the top of the steer tube hacked off, so it looks a little nicer. And overall, a pretty cool looking bike. Also, speed blade pedals, and has a Garmin mount up there too. So let's see what these wheels sound like. Pretty good sounding wheels, sound very mechanical and metally and not cheap. Good sound right there. So yeah, let's weigh this puppy and see what it weighs. All right, so the weight of this Canyon Aeroad is 17 pounds, 12 ounces and 7.99 kilograms. That is with speed plate pedals and a rear view mirror. Anyway, guys, if you like what you see, comment, subscribe, like, and I'll bring more content like this. Anyway, ride safe. Take care. Bye.